Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with ZipRecruiter Listings step by step clearly. To save with ZipRecruiter Listings, start by visiting the ZipRecruiter website. Create an account if you don't have one yet. Log into your account to access the dashboard. Use the search bar to input the job title or keywords relevant to your search. Set your preferred location in the location field. Click the search button to view the available job listings. Browse through the listings to find jobs that interest you. When you find a job listing you like, click on the title to view the details. Read through the job description, requirements, and salary information carefully. If the job aligns with your career goals, click the Apply button. In some cases, you may be prompted to upload your resume. Ensure your resume is tailored for the specific job to increase your chances. After uploading your resume, fill out any necessary application fields. Double-check your information for accuracy before submitting. Once your application is submitted, you may want to track your applications. Use the ZipRecruiter dashboard to monitor the status of your applications over time. To save job listings for later review, click the Save button on each listing. Access your saved jobs by going to the Save Jobs section in your account. Regularly check back to see if any new listings that match your criteria are available. Consider setting up job alerts to get notifications about new postings. This will help you stay updated without having to manually search every day. Now you can confidently navigate ZipRecruiter to maximize your job search efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.